It's no secret that A+ content is a fast track to sales on Amazon. But how do you use it? What are the best practices for Amazon's A+ content? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. Now, if you like this kind of information where I'm giving you tips to make your Amazon business even better, then consider giving me a thumbs up on this video. That way I'll know you want more information just like this. Also consider subscribing to my YouTube channel, post brand new money-making information just like this each and every day. If you've got any questions for me, comment below and I'll answer them personally for you too. With that being said, let's get with the A+. A+ content is what you get access to anyway when you are enrolled in Amazon's brand registry. You get Amazon brand registry by having a trademark. Actually, you don't even need a trademark anymore. You just need a trademark application, which is interesting. So once you've got your trademark application in, you get given a reference number for that. That reference number actually will get you brand registry. So what does that A+ content give you? Well, it gives you this. It gives you this extra real estate on the product details page, okay? And why is that important? Well, this extra real estate, the more you can explain the benefits and the features of your product, the more likely you are to make sales of your product. And Amazon says that any products that have got A+ content on them, the conversion, the on-page conversion rate increases by 10%. Okay, meaning if 100 people come to this page and 10 of them buy, then that's a 10% conversion rate. Okay. But if as soon as you put A+ content on the page, then you make an extra sale. 10% extra, 10% is 1%, therefore you make an extra sale, okay? Which is pretty cool. Like, it's basically free money just for getting this on. Anyway, so the other important thing about this as well, since we're going over some stuff, how we're going for time, terribly. Let's just not worry about that, Asher. Responsive design. The other really important thing about this as well is that A+ content is 100% about mobile optimization. Okay, it is beautiful on mobile, and as a result of that, and we already know that lots and lots of people shop on mobile. Let's just scroll down. So lots and lots of people shop on mobile. 55% of all sales on Amazon happen on mobile now and growing. And so anything you can do to help people buy your product from mobile is a good thing. And A+ content is mobile optimized par excellence. Okay. Anything else I want to say about that won't inhibit anything else? I don't think so. I think that's the main things. Anyway, look, you can see how it works. It's mostly about having good images, okay? This, I believe, it's certainly my favorite. That's probably a better way of saying it. It's my favorite way of laying out A+ content, okay? So let me just show you what it is. So it is big images with big lettering on them. And if you just look at that image, so this is something I cover throughout that whole thing, but look at that image. That image is of a child sleeping very soundly next to this night light, okay? And that's what you want to engender into your images, this visual representation of the benefits that you've already uncovered. Again, I'm struggling because I haven't had the opportunity to build up all the disparate parts of this, but hopefully that gives you some insights. Look at this, it's really good. Let me show you this on a mobile as well. So I'm on Firefox, just in case you're wondering what the hell I'm doing, and you go to Tools, and then it's responsive design mode, okay? That's how you get to this. But it's very sexy what it does on mobile. It's much, much better. So here it is, look. So that brings us very, very neatly to one of the best practices. Okay, one of the best practices. So let's just put these side by side. Let's see. So look at this image here, which is at the top says tons of pre-cut letters and script words, scissors for them, more neat, which is horrendous grammar. Anyway, but look at the image itself. What would you say about the image itself? That image at the top, what I'm showing you now, tons of pre-cut letters and script words, scissors for them, more neat. What would you say about the image? It's cluttered. Anything else? Too complex? Anything else? Too hard to read? Small? Yeah. Like they missed a trick there. They could have easily put something onto that image that compelled me to buy. Yeah, but they didn't. Anyway, so that's a big thing. Yeah. Whereas this, the image is very, very simple in terms of the stuff in it, but what it has in it is massively effective, and the text on it is big, bold, stands out. Okay, big, bold, it stands out. Anyway, so there, look, best practice: avoid using text on your images, but if you do, and you shouldn't always, but if you do, make sure it's super easy to read. Make sure it's super, super, super easy to read. But if I've just given you what I believe is a beautifully done A+ content, they did a fantastic job. Look at everything what it's in. It instantly, through images, conveys the main benefits of the product. Sleep better, audio, gets your kids to sleep, keeps them asleep at night, so night light as well. And it also teaches them when to wake up in the morning. Great for mum. Think about all the things that mums are going through. Beautifully done. Anyway, that was a video from my regular Monday night Q&A session with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. We are a community of professional e-commerce entrepreneurs right here in Australia. 2,500 members and growing. We're the fastest growing community of online entrepreneurs here in Australia, with sales, by the way, of over $50 million. If you'd like to find out more about what we're doing, get yourself off to www.aussieonlineentrepreneurs.com.au. Link for that is in the description. Till next time, bye.